So, ikaw.
Ay, okay yan.
Sige, panay white to. Anong gustong buksan?
Ito na, Kuya Dennis.
Itong
Grenache Blanco, pwede.
Ha?
Yan, dry naman yan eh.
Okay.
So, okay na yan.
Mahilig ka sa dry?
Sa depende kung anong moment ng gabi. Ay, Kuya Dennis, nag-pour kita ng
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Thank you for the
Happy New Year.
invitation. Ay, kaya naman pala kayo naging wine club member eh.
Hindi ba siya dry na sobra?
Hindi, Kuya Dennis. Medyo nga off-dry siya, masarap nga eh.
Organic siya.
Uy, ito ang pinakamasarap na Grenache na natikman ko. Ang ibang Grenache na natikman ko, halos parang walang flavor, taka hindi maganda yung pagkababa.
Yung kanyang winery,
Okay po.
pag-exit mo sa one...
Ang binyag ni
Page. On our way back to LA.
Kaya nung
Nag-101 kami.
Oo, naghanap kami.
Kaya niya nahanap siya.
Oo.
Good find.
Yeah.
Masarap Kuya Dennis.
Thank you.
Okay, let's start with this. Salt.
Salt. Salt.
Lalagyan mo ng konting asin.
Oh.
Lalagyan natin 350 degrees. Lagyan natin for 20 minutes.
Nice. Play, Josh. You want to play? Hi, Paige. Play,
Okay lang, wala ka naman Hindi, pupunta siya sa films.
West of Napa. West of
Sarap rin oyster dun, ha?
Ay,
Point
sinabi mo.
Reyes.
ang ganda na, ang ganda na. Ang ganda na.
And then in reality, pwede na mag-business ng restaurant.
Yes. Nice.
Sabi ko sa akin, Leslie, pro to eh.
Oo nga, ang dami ko natutunan. Mali-mali pala pinagagawa ko.
Hindi naman.
Sige lang. We have all night. Yung asawa ni Lito?
Dito yung nagkasakit at trabaho doon sa facility ng sister niya.
Kita mo kanina yung malabnaw.
Oo.
Dito lumapot na. So clear spoon, no?
Oo.
Di ba kalaro rin?
Oo, nag-pupok na
Kumakapit
siya
na
na.
siya, no?
Oo.
Ayun, pwede na natin ipahit. Meron ka
This is
No
goat
apartment.
cheese with honey.
Yung
Doon sa inyo, doon sa inyo.
Parang nakikita ko. Sa dark, no? Kaya lang nung minsan kintab niya, no? Look at the...
Once you
Lahat.
cook it down, sa pag pininit pa
Tapos
natin
iyan,
ulit, babalik sa oven, ikintab pa lalo yan.
Magka-crush siya a little bit.
Ayun. Okay?
Parang favorite kong burnt ends.
Yun, pwede ni sinabi mo. Okay. Back to the oven it goes.
Look at Uncle understand. Oh,
Okay, man, nasa likod pa. Ingat kayo.
what do you want, guys?
Ay, turuan mo ako
Jelly,
niya ha,
egg,
kasi pag-uwi ko luluto ako.
you need cheese? Daddy made some cheese.
Nag-chess. More glaze. Steamed fish. Hindi mo na i-measure, ano?
No.
Alam mo na.
Na-eyeball ko na lang.
Yun lang.
Sesame oil
And sugar, no? Sabi mo?
and sugar. Hindi ko gusto yung masyadong fresh, matapang eh.
Mas maganda yung ganyan, naluto pa, no? Tsaka
One on one, yung ng heart, si
Sino
Uncle
kasama mo,
Peter.
Kuya Dennis?
Oo.
Uy, si Uncle Peter, sino ba yan mo one-on-one?
Oo.
Oh my God!
Malakas yung iminom.
Alam mo ba, lasing na nagpapa ng photo.
Oo.
Hindi na siya makakyat. Sabi ko, hindi
Si Peter?
Ako.
Hindi yung elevator na
Grabe, brave na brave ka, Kuya
Sira
Dennis.
yung elevator. Naglakad kami hanggang 8th floor.
Ganon.
Oo.
Pero paano hindi na siya makaano?
Grabe ka.
Hindi, kasama natin si Ronel nun.
Kasama si Ronel.
Yung youngest brother ni Leslie.
plate.
Nice.
Oh.
Dad, where are you gonna use
Nakakatakot
these
pag
for?
gumamit ka ng
Or you
galing.
gonna do some more toothpicks?
Yun ang hilig kong bilhin eh. Mga kitchen.
Nakakatuwa ang luto dito kasi hindi pa lahat ng gamit.
There's some on it.
Kasi mura lang siya, matagal mong gagamitin.
Totoo.
Diba?
Hanggang sa pala nitong masterclass na lutuan.
Mura lang yan eh.
Curious ako
Oo.
eh.
Ano yan?
Mura lang yan.
Ito ba yung
I
masterclass?
like making,
Ganda pala siya talaga.
Oo.
making. It's kind of like
Nice. On this side too. You can decorate this side page.
Wow guys, good job.
Wait, I want a video.
Are you moving around? Are you moving them around? Maybe no more cherry if no more pineapple, right?
this one.
I think that's it.
There's some
Oh, wash your hands, Josh.
Okay. Urgent.
Ganda. Special palang ulam ni Paige, ha?
Pang-almusal.
Oh my God.
Ngayon, natin. I took it off the heat. Tinatay ko na. Nagsisimmer na siya.
Oh, yum. Sarap.
Okay.
Sarap, no?
Tapos,
One more.
Sayang wala si Dennis.
Oo nga eh.
Yun ang inaalmusal ni Paige sa umaga.
Special, no?
Kaya every other week.
Special.
okay ko muna dito. Ayan. Ito ang last part. Yung kaya page, may shortcut version nito Ate Leslie.
Aba, meron ka pang pahaba-habaan, no?
Oo, Chinese style eh.
Oo nga eh.
Magluluto rin lang ako, hindi magluto na ako. Okay, tapos super raw.
Oo,
But
oo.
also, yung skin sa ibabaw ng fish, hindi mo magka-crisp siya, magfa-firm up lang.
Ako sa akin wala dito si Dennis. Favorite pa naman ito. Pero alam ko nang gawin ngayon.
Paborito eh.
Alam ko nang gawin ngayon.
Kailangan lang mainit na oil. Ngayon, mag-step back ka ng konti, dahil magsasplatter siya. So,
Oh, nice. Ay, ganun pala, no?
tapos na.
Nice. Nice.
Ganyan na lang. Patagilid mo lang para may dalaw pa.
We have 13 dishes. The steamed fish, the shrimp with walnut, ham hocks, yang chow fried rice, fish, vegetables, can't remember that one, noodles, and salad.
Eating?
Yung
Teju.
Teju, yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Popping is not good dahil yung bubbles mawawala. So, you do this.
Slowly.
Anticlimactic.
Wow!
May laman pa pala.
Sige. Thanks so much.
Hi guys.
Bottoms up, Kuya Dennis. Yan, very good.
Ganda.
Ang ganda ng kulay.
Nice.
Ate Leslie, saan ang sayo?
Eto.
I got it.
Hala, may sommelier. Tingnan po hamawak ng, ng bottle.
Alam mo, that's the reason why the butt of the bottle is that dimple. Kasi mahirap hawakan ng ganyan.
Oo nga. Oh, thank you.
Mahirap hawakan. Tsaka, mas madaling hawakan siya ng ganyan. No?
Mas may
Oo.
control.
Stable.
Oo.
nakikilala ko na siya.
Saka yung
Kami almost best friends.
Saka yung hango.
Si chef na rin ang going to do the honor of slicing.
Uy, naman.
Well, siyempre, all the way.
Kailangan din na pag-slice. Oh, picture muna. Happy New Year!
Happy New
Happy
Year!
New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Okay.
Ano kailangan natin?
Wala.
Ay, yung ano, slice na.
Oh.
Yeah, like a knife and a fork. Yung serving fork.
Hindi ako makakabali ate.
Oh, babe, ayan, plastic yan.
Kabali.
Kabali yan. Need a metal one.
Dad, look how amazing it is.
Yeah.
I know, you guys did such a great job.
Your daddy cooked it. Look how shiny it is, right?
It doesn't have to be sharp. Kasi ano na siya eh. Spiral slice na eh.
Dad,
Yes.
what is that part for?
Which one?
That.
It's for getting the meat. Like this. See? Okay. So there's one last thing with spiral ham. And I'm sorry, pero now nalagyan ng dekorasyon. Medyo
Nag-iba na.
mahirap na. But ganito ang mangyayari dyan. This is what we're gonna do.
Oh my.
Tama nga. Kasi spiral eh. Di easier
Because
to
spiral
slice.
siya.
Oh.
So ganyan.
Then you slice it. Doon na sa glue.
Dito na sa groove.
Oo.
Dito na ang manggagaling ang serving ninyo. Kasi across the grain na yan. Oh, di ba? Oh. Di madaling kunin.
I want ham also.
Yes, we heard of it. Don't worry. See, it's easy. Yes, we could. Hang on. It's almost there. Oh, ayan na.
Madali na siya.
It's easy.
Paladaan. Tawagin mo
I'm hungry now.
I know, sweetie pie.
Hiwa-hiwain mo.
Oo, ma. Ayun, hiwa-hiwa na to eh.
Sabi ni
Kukuha na lang kayo.
Yes.
Kaya si Kuya Dennis yan ang gusto dahil madali na siya i-serve.
Yung isa kasi hindi nga, mahirap.
No,
It's
pero
not
binibili
easy.
in every year. Spiral eh.
Oo, may isang beses, di ba, na hindi available yung spiral. Tapos ginanon ko, parang skinors.
Parang madulas. Lumudulas.
Kaya na. You guys can start. The fish. Start with the fish.
Yeah.
Oh, the fish
Oh,
is
rice.
yummy.
Oh, give some. Oh, oh.
I know what you're getting. Go get
But this is a little bit more on the sweeter side.
Oh.
Get the get the
Oy,
dessert.
sake. White
Get the dessert
fish.
like
Very
thing.
good.
Okay.
Ganda.
Sa akin itong ibang itsurang
Ate Leslie.
Kampay! Happy New Year! Bukas na ng mga gawin.
Konti lang yan. O, tinan mo. 8. That sounds hard. Can I cut them up?
Oh. What's...
Okay, I give up.
You open the fridge, you put the elephant, and then you close the fridge. How do you put a giraffe in the fridge?
Okay, I give up.
You open the fridge, you take the elephant out, and then you put the giraffe in and close it.
And close it. Okay, next.
A person had a party for all of the animals in the world. Everyone was there except one person. Who was
Okay.
that?
Wait. All the animals were there except for one person?
One animal.
One animal.
One animal. Oh, all the animals there except for one animal.
Giraffe.
The giraffe that's in the fridge.
Yay!
One more.
You know, JD, that's a really big fridge. You know?
One more.
Okay,
one
go
more.
ahead. Go ahead.
A person crossed the river full of crocodiles safely. How did he or she do it?
Okay, so a river full of crocodiles. How did he or she do it crossing the river? Right?
Safely.
Safely. There a boat?
Elephant.
She used the elephant. No. Okay, wait. Okay, so one question, lady.
Yeah?
Did this person have to swim or can they use a boat?
They can use a boat, they can swim.
But they're still in danger. right?
There's still crocodiles.
Okay, there's still crocodiles. All right, I can't think of a solution. Go ahead. How do
Okay,
we get across?
all the crocodiles are at the person's party.
Oh, that's because they were invited.
Yes.
That's right. That makes sense.
One more, Just. How about
Maybe you'll beat her. And your Kuya Josh is just national master for now, right?